What's up guys, my name is Andrew. I like to talk about men's health, men's grooming, men's fashion, and in today's video I would like to talk about how to make people like you or how to make more friends. Let's get into it. Number one, you need to be a positive person. If you want to have great relationship with others and if you want to have meaningful relationships with other people, even if that's friends, if that's girlfriends, dating partners, whoever it might be, in every part of your social life, be a positive person. If you're a negative person, no one is gonna want to really be around you because you're not positive. You must be a positive person. You want to lift people up. You want to be positive about life. You want to have a goal and strive for that goal in a positive way. You don't want to complain about life, okay? Stop being negative. Stop complaining about life. Stop complaining about others. Stop gossiping about others, okay? Bring people up, okay? Lift people up and lift yourself up as well, and your family, everyone around you. So be positive, okay? Negativity is not gonna help anyone. It's not gonna bring any positive things into your life. Positives attract positives and negative attract negatives. So if you want to be negative and if you want to be a toxic person and you want to attract those kinds of people, then be negative. But if you want to attract positive people, you want to attract people that are happy about their life, that are positive about life overall, then stay positive and you're gonna attract those people as well. Number two is to be kind and genuine to others. Whatever you might be thinking about kindness, trust me, every single person loves to be around a person that is genuine, that is kind. Because if you're not kind to others, or to anyone for that matter, to your family, to your friends, to your loved one, you want to show kindness to everyone basically. Not some jerks, okay? You don't have to be kind to those ones, but you should be kind. Trust me, it's a really attractive trait as well, when you're kind to people, when you're kind to children even, okay? Because when others see you, when maybe some potential mate sees you being kind to children, like they are gonna think of you that you're a great person and that maybe you will be a great parent. So you want to be kind to people, you want to be kind. Trust me, being kind and genuine never hurt anyone. It never hurt anyone's feelings. Yeah, maybe sometimes people are gonna send you away. They're gonna tell you to fuck off, if I could say that way. But don't take it personally, okay? They might be just having a bad day. They might be just tired, maybe from their work, from their careers, from family problems. So you never want to assume that there is something wrong with you. You are perfect the way you are. You should display it to the world, okay? You should be kind to people. You should show your kindness everywhere where you go. And if some people don't like it, then who cares? Number three is to have a goal, be a goal-driven person. People attracted to ambitious people. Let me tell you, ambitious people are one of the most attractive people on this planet because they're willing to outwork their competition. They are willing to work on their dreams like no one else is. So people like those kinds of people because they are capable of achieving great things in this life. I know that you probably have some kind of dream. And no matter what that dream might look like, you should go after it like no one else. You should outwork every single person that is in your competition so that you could get to that dream. That's what it takes. You gotta put in work continuously, every day, all day, every week, every month, for years to be able to get and reach that goal. So you have to believe in your dream and you have to work on your dream, because otherwise people are not going to perceive you as someone that is ambitious, someone that will have a great future. Because ambitious people, let me tell you, thanks to their hard work and willpower, they're able to outwork everyone, and thanks to that, they reach great things, okay? They achieve great things. So be that kind of person. Number four is to text people first or talk to them first. If you are not having many friends and if you don't have many people to talk to and people don't really like you, well, it might be just because you are completely closed in yourself. You're not explaining yourself to other people. You're not talking to people much. And you don't want to be that kind of guy, okay? You want to actually talk to the real people out there, like no matter what that kind of person is. Obviously you don't have to talk to everyone, but you should not avoid everyone, okay? That's not helpful, okay? Get out of your comfort zone and talk to other people, talk to many various different people, talk to more people. Like, you want to be talking to more people because that will eventually lead you to meeting more people, to having better relationships, to meeting more successful people in your life. And so you want to talk to people first, and maybe sometimes text them first, because people are busy these days. They have a lot going on, and if you don't text them, they're probably not gonna text you, and they're probably not gonna talk to you. Some will, and if someone does that, then be glad that they actually came to. Every single time when someone came up to me and said hi or hello and we started talking based on that, I never felt like that person did something wrong, okay, or that person should not be respected for that, okay? That person was confident enough to get up and go and talk to me, and thanks to that, that's amazing. They took the initiative to start a conversation with me, and based on that, we can form our relationship further. So don't be afraid to talk to people first and text people first, because they might be glad that you actually did this, okay? They might be glad that you talked to them and texted them first. And the last tip that I have for you today, guys, is to be different and good at something. People that are passionate about things, okay, that have passions, that are interested in things, that have lives, okay, those are the people that are interesting. Because people who have passions, most of the time they become successful. Then people who have passions are way more interesting than people who have boring lives, where sitting on their couch and watching TV all day long. So no matter if you will be watching a TV or maybe playing a guitar, okay, like watching TV is not a really productive hobby unless maybe you might be paid for it. So then that's a great hobby, you know, that's a great side hustle. But I suppose you're not really paid for it. And the same thing, Netflix watchers, okay, or maybe YouTube consumer watchers. Instead of doing that always, like, find your hobby, okay? Maybe start playing a piano, play the guitar, maybe go out and play some football. Whatever it might be, whatever you might want to do, just do you, be different, and be passionate about something, because that's highly attractive to other people. I hope after this video you're going to be able to be more interesting, have more interesting conversation with others, and make people more like you, because I think that's really important in this world. Constantly on our phones, and I think we should communicate with each other more. Please don't always look at your phone all the time. Go and speak to others and communicate with others. That's all from me in today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.